Hey everybody, do you ever wake up feeling like a zombie, shuffling through the day after hitting snooze one too many times? We've all been there. But before you chug your fifth coffee just to function, think about this. What if getting a good night's sleep could actually unlock your inner superhero? Yeah, we're talking laser focus, peak productivity, and a mood so bright it could power a disco ball. That's the kind of transformation we're about to explore on this journey into the importance of sleep, your ultimate cheat code to becoming a sleep-powered rock star. Before we blast off into dreamland, remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you want more brain-boosting content like this delivered straight to your feed. Now, back to our mission, conquering the land of Zeds. Look, I get it. You're thinking, sleep is for the weak, I've got mountains to climb and deadlines to crush. But here's the truth, those tired eyes and foggy brain are actually holding you back. Studies show that sleep deprivation is like kryptonite to your focus, creativity, and memory, turning you into a productivity paradox. But a well-rested brain? It's like Superman's cape, it gives you superpowers. Think sharper thinking, reflexes that could catch falling pianos, and emotional resilience that could weather any storm. So, how do we unleash this inner hero? Forget fancy gadgets or magic potions, the key lies in your bedtime routine. Ditch the late-night Netflix binges, swap blue lights for cozy candlelight, and turn your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary that whispers, sweet dreams. Find your chill zone, whether it's a book and herbal tea or a guided meditation sesh, whatever helps you drift off into slumber like a fluffy cloud. And remember, consistency is king. Treat your sleep schedule like a VIP guest, arriving and leaving at the same time every day, even on weekends. Trust me, when you prioritize sleep, you'll wake up feeling like you've leveled up in real life. Suddenly, those deadlines become mere stepping stones, your creativity explodes like a fireworks show, and your emotional well-being reaches Zen levels. You'll conquer challenges with a smile, leaving the sleep-deprived zombies in your dust. So there you have it, folks. The importance of sleep, the not-so-secret weapon to unlocking your inner superhero. Thanks for watching, and if you've made it this far, give this video a thumbs up and explore some of these other cool videos on the channel where we unlock more brain hacks and live life to the fullest. Remember, sleep ain't just for the lazy, it's for the dreamers, the doers, and the sleep-powered rock stars in all of us.